in this video, we will be looking on how to download Python and set up Python with Visual Studio Code for building some Python related projects. So for that, we first install Python, download Python. Just click on the first URL website, and you'll find this dashboard. So you go ahead and click on download Python 3.10.4, which is the latest version as of now, and you'd see an exe file is downloaded. You click on that and you'll be able to get such a window. So now we click add Python 3.10 to path and then click on install now, and we install Python. So I'll come back after installing Python. So now the setup was successful, so I just hit close. Now let's just go to our command prompt and check if it's installed. Type Python. Yeah, so it shows us the version Python 3.10.4. So now it's time to install Microsoft Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code. You will get the first link. You just click on that and you just click on Windows 64 user installer and you'll see a setup install. So I already have VSCode installed in mine, so let me show you how to do that. So now we just click on this exe file and you just click on accept, click on next, and you just check all these boxes and hit next and you click on install. So now since I already have Visual Studio Code, I would not install it once again. So now let us see on how we could set up Visual Studio Code. So here we are at the welcome page of Visual Studio Code. So we must do a few settings now. So we just click on extension right here, extensions, and you just type Python. And over here you will see the first one, Python by Microsoft. You just click on install. Since I already have it installed, it's not showing up, but if you don't have it installed, you click on install and you'll be ready to go. And also click on Ctrl+Shift+P and you just type Python : select interpreter and click on it, and you'll be able to see the recommended Python version. Just click on that. So now we are all ready for programming and building projects using Python. So the first video will be on building a very simple calculator using Python. So stay tuned.